Reports of asteroids passing close to the Earth have increased recently. Now, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has issued a warning that another asteroid is on its way towards the Earth and will reach its closest to the Earth today, that is on August 28th. The asteroid is expected to be the size of an airplane. NASA's CNEOS informed that the asteroid known as NEO 2022 QP3 will pass by the planet around 9:55 p.m. UTC today or 3:25 a.m. IST. This one is a 100-foot wide asteroid which is expected to come as close as 5.51 million kilometers to the Earth. The US Space Agency's Planetary Defense Coordination Office has red flagged the asteroid due to its close proximity and designated it as a potentially hazardous object. It is 19.5 times the distance to the Moon. CNEOS confirms that the asteroid has a velocity of 7.93 km per second. Meanwhile, this comes after a 100-foot diameter asteroid NEO 2022 QQ4 whizzed previous Earth on Saturday. It was 5.93 million kilometers from our planet when it made its closest method. As per NASA's CNEOS, the large asteroid moved at a pace of 7.23 km per second. Asteroids are huge house rocks that orbit the Sun. However, due to the gravitational pull of the planets, they are typically in a position to alter their course and even collide with them. This threat of doubtless lethal asteroids, although infinitely small, has prompted NASA to deploy its Double Asteroid Redirection Test spacecraft, commonly referred to as DART. The DART mission is an initiative towards planetary defense, the place the US House company could be launching a spacecraft proper into an asteroid's core to deflect it from its unique path. Asteroids with a 1 kilometer diameter strike Earth every 500,000 years on average. Large collisions with 5-kilometer objects happen approximately once every 20 million years. The last known impact of an object of 10 km or more in diameter was in an event 66 million years ago. The more the energy is released, the more damage is likely to occur on the ground due to the environmental effects triggered by the impact. Such effects can be shock waves, heat radiation, the formation of craters with associated earthquakes, and tsunamis if water bodies are hit.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.